Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 best auto-ranging multimeter. Starting at number 5. Digital Multimeter DC. Placebo Store Digital Multimeter has a wide range of applications that include DC voltage, DC current, AC voltage, and resistance. It also capable of testing circuit continuity and test diodes. It is a perfect choice for debugging electrical circuit, electronics and other needs. It has a display value of $19.99, 3.5 digits and automatic polarity display. It comes with a protective cover to prevent any damage to the device from physical accidents. This digital multimeter comes with an ergonomically designed multimeter which makes it easy to grip. The display has a backlight feature which makes it easy to read the numbers even in dim lighting conditions. Coming at number 4. Etekcity Digital Multimeter. This practical toolkit is a good choice for beginners, engineers, and electricians. With this multimeter, you can also test the working of diode and transistor. It is a small-size portable device for measuring the parameters like resistance, voltage, current and used to assemble, repair, and diagnose the circuits. Specifications of MSR 500 multimeter kit include. At number 3. AstroAI Multimeter 2000. The Astro Digital Multimeter was designed safely to unbutton the various domestic and automotive problems. It has many features that can function for measuring resistance, current, and voltages. Rubber protective grips are mounted at the edge of a multimeter and stand at the back to hold multimeter all the time. It also features overload protection, continuity buzzer, and low battery indicator. The color coding LEDs allows you to check the battery's lifespan. It has a single setting 10 resistance that functions both AC and DC voltages for home and automotive purposes. Number 2 of my list. INNOVA 3320 Auto. INNOVA 3320 is a well-known kit for electricians or home mechanics who can diagnose the car batteries or wiring. INNOVA company has been designing multimeters for automation industry over the years. Of all the multimeters, 3320 model is the best digital meter for home and is the reason for listing in the top. This brilliant kit comes with an inductive clamp and temperature measuring probe so as to check the engine's condition. To display the measured values R, V, I, it uses color-coded LEDs and features the high-end LED display. The brightness of the LEDs intimates you about the battery life of the device. It can even measure resistance to a range of 10 ohm. An instruction manual offers guidance to the users with simple instructions in English and French languages. And number 1. AstroAI Digital Multimeter. Next on our list is the AstroAI Digital Multimeter. With 6,000 true RMS counts, this multimeter has a wide range of measurement functions from voltage, resistance, current, capacitance, continuity, frequency and much more. Its test slots can hold and help you test the validity of diodes, transistors as well. With its auto-ranging capability, the multimeter, much like most of the units in the list, can measure both the AC current and voltage as well. It has a large backlit LCD and can hold on to data. It has no power button and turns on automatically and turns off when is inactive. The hanging magnet and the kickstand are great storage utilities and make the measurement process hassle-free. Built for professional usage. The multimeter is heavy-duty and the built-in F400 mAh/600 volts and F10A/600V explosion-proof. Ceramic fuse tubes offer better protection and more security and overall reliability. The multimeter comes with a 3 years warranty from the date of purchase. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.